Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. Today I'm starting a new build. We have the Lamborghini Sian. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was on sale for like $120, $150 off. So went for it. Let's see what we got here. And that comes up. We have that. The box is looking like, I believe that's the back of the car. The books are underneath all these boxes. I'll get these out and get the first bags ready to go. Great thing is the books are on the iPad are just like the books in here. So I like that, and we'll get into that. So there's 6 boxes in there, and each box has just the bags for each part. So there's just the 6 sets of bags, and we'll get, so these are all the 1 bags. So there we go. Before we get started into the bags here, let's take a look at the book. So this one's on the Builder app, and it's the same as what is in the book. So here's book 1. And we got the 2 distinct companies, Lego and Lamborghini, working together to design this car in Lego. I guess they had to pick which color they were going to go with. Now, I believe this is the 3rd car they've made, the 3rd supercar they've made. So recreating any vehicle in LEGO Technic is much more than just finding the right LEGO elements. Our designers have to understand the unique story of the real car and the company that created it. They have to discover the intentions of the original designer and the reason behind each detail. Every LEGO Technic model is a special journey. This is the story of our version of the Lamborghini Sian FKP37. Ruscio Lamborghinis. Very interesting. They still make tractors. Our motto is to expect the unexpected. It has to look like it's moving even when it's standing still. There's the designers. Details make perfection, and perfection isn't a detail. We're going to have some gull wing doors again. It's not just the looks, it's the spirit of the Sian FKP37 I had to capture. They're always looking towards the new frontier for car technology. Lamborghini is refinement, luxury, and perfection. That's pretty good. Gearbox and rear suspension. So that's going to be this first bag. So that's box 1 we've got here. It seemed a shame to go to all the trouble of simulating the intricate gearbox of the real Lamborghini Sian FKP37 only to hide it away under other elements and sections of the model. Therefore, senior designer Yui Wabra decided to create small windows on the bottom of the model that allow you to see the gearing system work. Oh, that's interesting. We have the suspension. I'll get everything sorted here and we'll get started. Okay, so there is a lot of pieces here. I haven't seen so many axles before. I don't think any of the previous ones have had this many axles. This seems like a lot of axles. So we'll see how hard this one is going to be. Let's get started. We have simple start here with just the, what is that, a 15 beam and a couple of long blue pins. And now I need these. I need to do this ×2. And we need the smaller gray axle. Lots of these 3 length gray axles. Lots and lots and lots of them. So that is something. Okay, that goes, they go here. So I probably need to get that like lined up like that. Let's get this other one built here and put that in there. Okay, so that's about those two. I think, and I have to make sure in this one, got to keep everything accurate, because these are ones that if you get anything, miss anything, something's not going to work. So I need this, but I need this with another one of these gray axles. And this red 3-beam with the axle connection on it. And an axle pin, small axle pin here. Like that. And that is supposed to go like so. There we go. And then I take another beam, hook it up to the other side. There we go. Nope. No. No, now I'm putting the other side on. Okay, so we got 2 axles. And another one of these red 3 beams. Let's put it there. Okay, and then that goes on this side. That's just kind of floating there. And then the 3-beam connected on the other side. Okay, so it moves. Is it supposed to move? I guess we'll find out later. We have 2 black pins over here. And then the big green L-beam here. Okay. Little red axle and the axle connection pin here. And that goes in here. Okay. Now, okay, the one we have to be careful with, we need the 2 struts, suspension, or the suspension here. And this has to go on each side. And we're putting them with that socket facing up. And we are using the black 6-length axle. Not sure how far to push it through. But we'll just stick it just the way through to hold it and then figure it out. I need to go further. Okay, so it is supposed to go a little bit further. Maybe 2 lengths, so we'll see. Doesn't look like it's supposed to be midway. And we need, oh wait. I need 2 gray half beams. Where did they go? Not there. Got these, oh, they're up here. There they are. Put those on. They're supposed to face up. Okay. Now the red 3 axle beam connector here, and we'll put that there. Okay, so that's how long that is supposed to go. And one on the other side as well. Just push that through a little bit further. And the pin to the outside. So there we go. Pieces move around a bit. We'll see. And we have a gear. Oh, we're moving on to something different. So set that over there. We're starting a probably rear differential, I'm guessing. Okay, so we have the tan gear and the tan pin with the smooth spot on it. Just put that in there. And then another one of these tan gears on the outside. So those go on like that. So not too tight so it spins. And then we put the gearbox or the differential piece in. So I gotta put that like that, or no. Pretty sure I put the one on the pin first. Then I can put the other two, slide those in. Okay, we got that. And then that is supposed to go in this way. So I need the short gray axles again. Okay, that's the one. There's the two. Okay, so there they go. They are moving. And we put two yellow axle connectors. I don't think I've seen yellow ones. Usually gray or black. White, I think I've seen. Okay, so now we have two of these axle connector pins that go here. And there. And make sure this stays the right direction. Okay, and we take that back over here. And we pop that between the two these pieces and stick two more short gray axles in here. Okay, there's the one. And there's the other. Okay. I think we're good. Oh wait, no, we're not. These are supposed to go this way, which means that's supposed to go the other way around. See, it's very easy to get these backwards. Can I get that out? Okay, and that's just a little bit tricky to get out of there. Let's try to get that out. You know what? I have this. I'm just gonna grab that and pull it out. Okay, it has to go the other way. Let's put it in the other way. Make sure it is in the correct way here. You need the proper tools to take Technic apart. Brick separators do not do a good enough job. Okay, so those are all the right way now, I think. So that looks good. Now two articulating joints and gray axles. Okay, and then those are gonna hook up. Yeah, those are we're already gonna be hooking up some wheels here. Or to the joints, to the wheels anyway. Those go there. Try to keep that in the right spot. Okay, let's just set that to the side. And we have two pieces here. These two pieces here. Okay, and then I'm gonna make two of this part and the little gray axles. Come again here. And put that halfway through. Okay, so that goes there. Now we're hooking that one on this side and this one on the other. Okay, so that's good. And then we have the other two joints, and they're facing down this side, and we're going with red, the red 4-length axles on these guys. I'd guess it goes partway through, I'm not sure yet because they didn't show it yet. So let's go with that. Okay, that's the way that goes. And now, oh, we're hooking this up to there. Just sort of right. Okay, this flips over. And the red axles are plugging into that hole at the top, okay. Like that. Okay, that's how that's going. I'm certain that's not, yeah, that's upside down again. I'm supposed to flip it up the other way. Flipped it the wrong way. I'm supposed to flip it this way. Yeah, gotta keep catching those things before I end up. Okay, that's this way. Wait a second. That's still not right. Because these are supposed to face the other way. What's going on here? Did I just have the short side on the wrong side here? I do, I have the short side on the wrong side. Of course you don't, because you didn't notice that before. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to have, short side on that side. And then this goes this way. Okay, I think I got the critical pieces going the right direction now. Those pins there, black pins on this side, and these facing down. Okay, so that's, I think, good. And now we have two of the short brown pins. And what are they doing? They're going in this hole here for some reason. Okay. So they went there. And okay, now we'll get making two of these short gray axles. And these red 1x4 half beams. Get that one on. And the two 1x2s on this side. You want a blue pin in the middle. So that, and then two of these short 1x2 half beams. And that's not supposed to go on that side. Let's go on the other side. Go on this side. Okay, so we got two of those, and then the red T's. Red T-beams. They go like this. Okay. And then a gray, oh wait, the red half beams first. Then the gray half beams. Okay, so now we got two of these, and these go on that Well, they go on that brown axle we put in before, so I gotta put that on the red axle here. So like that. And the other one like that. I'm going to stop there for part 1 of my Lamborghini Sian build. So far, starting here with the rear differential. Got this little bit started. There is a lot of axles. There's a lot of stuff to put together here. So we'll have quite a few parts for this. And if you'd like to see more of them, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.